My mother is feeling depressed.
Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful short story. The name of the story is
My Mother is Feeling Depressed. On a gloomy and cloudy day, Amelia's mother is feeling sad in her heart. Because it's covered in clouds and there is no sun. Amelia suggests to her mother that it's better to go outside and look around. When her mother goes out, Amelia tries to find a way to make her mother happy. What should she do?
Let's start reading this beautiful story.
Amelia Bedelia's mother was as glum as the weather. Where is the sun? She asked. I am really blue. Amelia Bedelia looked at her mother. She was not blue. She was not even wearing anything blue. She was not wearing a smile either. I am having a play date, said Amelia Bedelia. Maybe you should have one, too. Great idea, sweetie, said Amelia Bedelia's mom. She made 2 short phone calls. Then she said, I am going to town. After I go shopping, I will meet Dad for coffee. Mrs. Adams will watch you and Rose. Have fun, said Mrs. Adams, who was their next-door neighbor. Don't worry about us girls. We will have a ball. Amelia Bedelia's mother waved goodbye. Well, chalk up another gray day, she said. As Amelia Bedelia waved back, she got an even better idea. Amelia Bedelia found her big bucket of chalk in the garage. When Rose's father dropped Rose off, Amelia Bedelia was already hard at work. Wow, said Rose. You have every color in the rainbow. I need them, said Amelia Bedelia. I am chalking up a gray day to make my mom happy. Want to help? Sure, said Rose. To warm up their drawing arms, Amelia Bedelia and Rose drew squares for hopscotch on the sidewalk. When they played a game, Mrs. Adams was amazing. Chip walked by with his big brother and their puppy, Scout. What is going on? Yelled Chip. We're chalking up a gray day, said Amelia Bedelia. Want to help? Cool, said Chip. What makes your mom happy? Asked Rose. She likes flowers and green things, said Amelia Bedelia, pointing to where plants grew last year. Rose got green, red, and pink chalk. She began drawing roses on Amelia Bedelia's house. Hey, Amelia Bedelia! Daisy was walking by with her babysitter and her baby sister. What are you doing? She asked. Chalking up a gray day, said Amelia Bedelia. Want to help? Yes, said Daisy. Daisy began drawing daisies. That's my mom's favorite flower, said Amelia Bedelia. She will love those. Thanks. Amelia Bedelia told her friends about her mom's favorite spots. Chip drew a map. Amelia Bedelia, Rose, and Daisy added shops and places to eat. Mrs. Adams made tasty treats for everyone. What a great drawings, she said. Roll out the red carpet for your mom. Amelia Bedelia didn't have one. So they drew her mom a carpet leading to the best surprise of all. Then Amelia Bedelia saw their car pulling into the driveway. Her parents had come home together. Hi, Mom, said Amelia Bedelia. Welcome back. You guys really went to town, said Amelia Bedelia's father. Not us, said Amelia Bedelia. Mom went to town. We stayed home and drew. Amelia Bedelia's parents followed the red carpet. Everyone else followed them. A yellow sun plus a blue mom makes green, said Amelia Bedelia. And green makes you happy. Amelia Bedelia's mother was speechless. She hugged each one of them. She hugged Amelia Bedelia the longest of all. Amelia Bedelia's dad took more photographs. It was a good thing he did. It rained all night long. The chalk washed away, and the pictures melted. All the colors of the rainbow soaked into the earth. The next day was bright and sunny. Amelia Bedelia and her mom stood at the window, filling yellow and pink and green and every other color except blue.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.